Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parent. So adrianzen. Let's try an open Sicilian. I'll play this. Check his ratings out. Well, he hasn't got any bullet time controls or anything. It's 5-minute 15. Oh, this is his first 5-minute game. Oh, he's only played like one 5-minute game before. Oh dear, it's not great for. Okay, playing a provisional player. 15-minute though. No, he's played quite a few on the 15-minute. He's 1749 on 15-minute, being up to 1864 just 4 days ago on the 15-minute. Right, have I got the possibility of f4 here just to unweaken the king side? It seems fairly logical thing to do. Alright, so queen d2 here. I'm not sure what it does. Alright, knight d5. Oh, let's just hold this pawn for knight d5. Let's just hold this pawn as though I want to play knight d5 and c3. That's something. It's got an idea behind it to sort of blunt the bishop rather than sort of pointless move. Trying to avoid these pointless moves. Alright, so that opens up the diagonal. There's something to that. I know he's got nice control over g5. Is it worth gaining a tempo? Yeah, I don't think the bishop is doing anything on g3 at the moment. Right, so this position where maybe bishop d4 just to challenge that guy. Mind you, my d5 is a bit disconnected. Can't really easily get on this diagonal just yet. Right, bishop a6 is a nuisance move. I could play it just to be a nuisance. Just put the rook somewhere else. Maybe there's a point to it though. Queen e2 might be useful for rook d1, trying to support d5 soon if needed, or even c4. c4 bishop takes at the moment. So yeah, queen e4, bishop takes. I'm just wondering about f7. This pin could be useful. Queen e4, just pinning. Okay, I'll stop the use of g4. I think. Play this. It's got queen a4 trying to win a pawn. Oh no. Okay, let him do that. Queen a4. Okay, the bishop's protected, but I think queen e4. I'm up to something here. Bishop takes. Then pair here for rook f7, queen g6 as an example. It starts to get dangerous. So queen e4, taking bishop d3, battery, pin, rook f7 later. So I think queen e4 for bishop d3. Well, after taking bishop d3, I think his king slightly compromised. Slightly compromised king. Queen e4. Play queen e4 here or take on e6. I think he's weakening his king a bit. I just take. I could throw in bishop b5, see if the queen goes back to e6. I don't want to open up his rook though. What about, I don't know, c4? But then the e file. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Let's just take here. I'm hoping I'm weakening his king a bit more. Put some pressure on the centre. He could just exchange off rooks, try and simplify. Yeah, his control of it, g5 is pretty good. He gets that f5 if he wants. I took, bishop takes. Keep some tension in the position. Oh, it's knight f4. Oh, I'm not keeping much tension. Okay. In the light of knight f4, maybe knight d2. Maybe bishop b5 is useful. Slip in bishop b5. Yeah, with his control of e5, yeah, it looks to have a good position, I gotta say. Can I play knight e4 for knight e4? There's queen f4, there's knight f4, queen e4. If I play knight e4, it's a nice central knight for a moment. It's a check. Okay, that gives me some options. Surely, like knight f3 coming up. Do you get the queens off now? Alright, I'm going to play. Well, his pawns are further fragmented here anyway.
Check.
Go for that fragmentation. Right, so g3. King h2, maybe king h2. Just to be able to play g3. I'm just looking at his fragmented pawns. Does that offer anything concrete? I've got a 3-2 over here, maybe. As though, yeah, that's significant. With a5, maybe. Try and break down his pawn islands here. He's only got like 10 seconds approaching now as well. Alright, just support that with a knight, just to improve my knight. I'm going to take that, maybe knight c6. And g3 I can finally play. Then bishop d3, I have king g6, g4, sure I'm winning a pawn. Yeah, it was only a second 5-minute game anyway. Alright, well, it's an interesting game. I might actually bet here. Let's have a quick look. Maybe it's not a good positional move. I don't know. Maybe h4 is better, knight d5. I'm giving, well, I don't know, maybe the engine doesn't mind it, but bishop e3, I wondered about that, pointing at h6, yes. The bishop's a bit useless on knight d4. Bishops, okay, this I thought was okay for white. I'm starting to look at his king a bit.
Check.
So it takes off. If I try to keep the tension, bishop e3, he can still take off, can't he?
Check.
There's no problem here. If he wants to take off rooks, knight d4, okay. So he wants to get rid of all the rooks. He did. It's ball sport. Getting rid of the tension in the position. I'm okay here. I've got a small advantage, it seems, from an engine point of view. Alright, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.